So we out here again. Got my boy Zach with us. Got Abdul again. One rod out. Don't got as much bait today, but we're doing what we can. Trying to get some fish. You ready, my boy?
Yes, sir.
That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Word kind of got out that the fishing bite was hot, so other people are here, but we're gonna show them what's up, though. You know how it is. Got 3 rods out. We had something smack this. I think so. It was out over there. Rod bent over.
Viewer discretion is advised.
Word.
This is how.
This is educational purposes only. Yo, you know it'd be funny? We should do a video where we put grabba and try and catch some fish.
That's genius.
You know what I'm saying?
Let me show you. This is how
Pizza grabba video and catch a catfish. Grabba ground.
Grabba ground.
I'll put nicotine vape juice on it.
Word.
See if that works too.
Sprinkles,
Yeah.
little crumble on it. We getting everything smacked.
Word. Even your mom. So we got big old bloody bass head on the 5th rod. Circle hooks today. Got a tremble over there just in case. Hit it. Hit it. Got another one. Bass head. 3/4 ounce weight. We're gonna throw it on the backside of this dam. A lot of people left, so we're kind of chilling now. We finally got one hooked up. Be gentle, be gentle. Let's go, Christian. Big fresh head. Fuck the bugs, get that fish in. If he wants to run, let him run. It's gonna be a big ass cat. It's in that current, that's where they want to. Oh!
No! Look at you! Look at you!
Oh! Bro, that keeps happening. I'm telling you, there's big ass cats in here, bro.
Fuck. That's...
Bro, oh, hold on, you got light.
I told you, there's big ass cats in here, bro. Oh my god.
Bro, it's because it was right in the rapids, bro.
Bro, that's where they want to take you. The big ones take you right over there.
A nice one.
The big one.
That, boys. I was trying to
Bro,
keep tension on
you
them.
good, you good.
Wow.
Bro, they're just that big here. That's all. They're big fish. Holy shit. That's why I keep coming back. Oh my god. Let's rig up all of our rods with fresh shit, cause dude, that shit got hit 10 minutes, fresh stuff.
Yeah, I'll help you rig this one back up.
Alright, bet.
12 seconds later.
Oh.
No way.
Right there. Oh, bro, that was a big one. Too.
Again.
Whoa.
Not
Still
that
there?
funny, cuz. Ain't that funny.
Yeah, he got off like right.
Damn, bro. Shit, we got a fire going now. We got what, like 3 bites? 3 good bites? Maybe 4. 2 hooked up, 2 lost. So, ratio, the land ratio is not very good today. Big fish though. Oh shit, I'm sorry, Zach. I didn't even see your poles in there. Is his even out? Yeah, his is out. Should start getting some more bites. It's just starting to heat up. We got fire and shit now.
Come on, G, we got
all the way down there. I'll go grab it. Let's go, baby! Where's he at? That's the biggest. That's the big guy. I'm gonna bring him over here. Bring it so it's no weird shit. Let's go! Oh my god, look at those parasites. Back that up.
Oh my
What
god.
is it? Parasites. They're eating them. Look at the holes in it. Alright, let's get him out of here.
Yo, good shit, dude. Yo, look at the moon.
He's got like leeches and shit on him. Yo, he's a big one. We gotta get him out.
Oh, let's go!
Let's
go! I think you took my bait, bro.
Damn.
That was a nice one. You see that shit? Bro, I think you took my bait.
No way.
Don't leave it there.
Not on a circle look like that.
Think we'll come back? Right, it's the one, right?
Yeah,
Get the release.
There he goes. That's one on the board.
Thank God.
Finally. Yeah. He snagged himself and then unsnagged himself, dude. I'm just playing the dragon current, bro.
What I'm worried about right here is that current, bro. Look, there you go. Oh.
That was crazy.
Tucking up in the rocks, bro.
Oh, that's a nice
You want my grippers?
Yeah.
Yeah, grab my grippers over there on the ground. See ya? Hey! Oh, he got him. He got him. Let's go! Hey! Oh my god,
Yeah.
Bro, look at that one.
Guess Cat Daddy Gio holding through.
Oh, wait!
Oh, I thought you got a fish. I was like, what the fuck?
You got my grippers?
Look at that
Oh my
fish
God, bro.
right there. Big ass fish.
Any parasites yet?
I think it's bigger than the one I got yesterday.
Wait, I think you got a clean one this time.
With my pliers?
Yeah.
We'll examine them once I can get them off the Here, give me the light. Oh my God, bro. Look how good that hooked up was.
God damn, what is the size of that fish?
Yo!
So that fish is probably what, 10 years old, 20 years old?
Hold on, I need some. Hold on.
How's he hooked? Oh, he
Down his
swallowed
damn
that shit,
throat.
huh? Right here. I see it.
Hold the mouth open.
Hold on, let me pull it out.
Oh, it's through his lip too? Oh no, he didn't.
Bro, we gotta do the catfish derby next year.
Word. Yo, can you give me the weight?
Yep.
Got another one. That was fat. I think this one is clean. This one just looks clean, bro. Looks a lot cleaner than the last one. Any guesses? Oh, he just hit me in the dick. 7. I'm gonna say 8. He feels heavier than the one yesterday, bro. Ready? What do we got?
Hold it by there. 8, 8, 9.
8, 9. That's a new PB. I need some pictures.
Look at how
of this one.
fat he is, dude.
Yo, wait, do he got any parasites on him?
I don't think so.
I think he's a keeper size.
Yeah, let me get some pictures.
You wanna eat him, bro?
Shitting me? We'll sell these shits.
For what? People will buy it?
People buy that.
To eat
That's
it?
money. Yeah. They sell that at the supermarket.
Susquehanna catfish?
Nasty.
Oh yeah, big cat. Same spot as yesterday. Same shit. Yeah, bro, he's clean. Yeah.
So we actually got rid of that last cat. He was full of parasites too. Most of these cats are so nasty coming out of Susquehanna. I'm sure you guys know about it. But we'll be back with another video probably later up this week. I gotta upgrade some lines, upgrade some tackle. A lot of the cats that we're grabbing are right here in front of these rapids right out in front of me, but they're taking us over by that point of the dam just behind me. And as soon as they take us over there, they cut me right off and they're just gone. But I want to chase for a 20-pound cat. I think I could do it before the end of the summer, so I hope y'all rock with me. Thanks for watching, and thanks for the support. Subscribe.